Hey guys, welcome back. I just got to Soho right now and actually late for my drop. I was meant to be there by 2:15 and it's 2:14 and I still have like a long walk to get there, so I just hope they're gonna let me in, but like regardless I think I'm gonna get in there. So I'm like walking to the store right now. I'm gonna pop out real soon and I'm also trying to get the off-white Nike drop today. I'm rushing, sorry. Yeah, but like this drop this week is not too hard. It's actually very weak, so I'll just see what I could get because my number is actually very terrible. So, okay guys, we just got to the Supreme store and about to go check in and see what I can pick up from the store. And hopefully I'll try and sneak in my camera today so I can show you guys the experience. But yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I am here for the Supreme drop. I'm here for the Supreme drop for the 2:15.
You got a reservation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You got to go down at the end of the block, right?
Yeah.
And then take a right, then a left on Crosby.
All right, thank you.
Check it.
All right. All right, guys, I just got my badge. Like, this is a stamp of approval. Can you see it? Yeah. So I'm definitely getting Supreme today. And so I'm just about to go to the line, see the heat everybody has on. Alright, so I'm just gonna check in the line right now and we're just gonna wait and then I'm gonna show you what everybody got. Everybody's filling, everybody's not. So what's up, officer? How you doing? Chilling. Alright, yeah, so we just left the store right now and I copped everything I wanted, but like, yeah, the drop wasn't really good, so I'm probably gonna sell everything and I got some shit from my boys. So right now I'm about to head to round 2 and yeah, just meet up with them and then the video continues. I'll see you guys in a bit, alright? Peace.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, we just came back from the Supreme store. Unfortunately, I could not go to the kids store because my friends were bugging me to come back home. They wanted to play FIFA. But yeah, so I just got home and I got a couple of items and I'm just going to show you what it looks like on body. And you tell me if you're feeling it, if you're not feeling it, and it's lit. First we got the sticker from the collaboration. This is actually a very terrible sticker. I feel like it's just too revealing, but what do I know? I'm just gonna keep it though for the collection, but I did not get anything from the collection because I thought the collection was very weak. And what I got next was the pink TV sticker right here, and I got a shirt with it, but like I'm gonna sell it and because I did not get my size. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the pink sticker. What we got next is the ladybug sticker. Is this upside down? No, it's got. I got a t-shirt with it, but I'm gonna show you the t-shirt like last at the end of the show because I just gave someone the t-shirt to go and try to sell it, but unfortunately someone did not, and someone else is gonna come pick it up in the house, so my friend is bringing it back home. And yeah, so he's gonna come pick it up and I'll show you what it looks like on body because it's actually my size. The S Diamond sticker is my favorite sticker. I'm not gonna use it though. I just keep all my stickers and yeah. Let's move on. Up next we got the accessories. What I got was the illusion coin box. It's just like a red box and it has like Supreme embedded inside and it looks like it's floating, but it's actually an illusion. I really don't know the magic behind this or the science, but it's actually lit. I'm just gonna keep it for my collection. On the left and the right side it has like Supreme printed on it and I'm just gonna keep it. Let's try and put a coin inside. So basically now you see it and No, you don't. So if you want to take it out, I feel like I think you just flip it upside down and you slide it out, and the coin, where the coin at? The coin drops out right here. So that's it. Supreme Illusion coin box. Let's move on with the show. What I got next was the what's the name? It was the Supreme TVT. This is what it looks like. I got it in a medium because all the other sizes I was trying to get was sold out, and I've already sold this, so I'm about to ship it out today. But I just wanted to like show you guys what it looks like for this show, and unfortunately it's not gonna fit me, so you can't see a body fit. But hopefully you can get what it looks like from looking at the other tees. I got this for 36 bucks, and the resale is about 100 to like 120 bucks. Moving on. Next, I got the S Diamond tee. I'm keeping this for myself because I really like it, and it's gonna be a cool summer fit. It has like a Supreme in the blue font and like a big S like in a diamond shape, and he has like bedazzles on it. If you can look closely, you can see the bedazzles on it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep that. And what I got next, I did not get much this week, so where is this? I got the bonded mesh track jacket in XL. This is yellow with a red stripe, red and blue stripes. So it looks pretty different from the photos, and he has like a big Supreme stitched on it. So yeah, this is it. There's nothing really special about this. I'm definitely gonna sell this, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like on body. My favorite item from the drop this week is the Supreme reflective work jacket. Come. Come on, Greet. Come on, Greet.
Yo, what's up? This is for his YouTube channel.
I don't kill me, guys. I finish. Yeah, what I got next is this Supreme reflective stripe work jacket. I don't know the name, but this is actually the best jacket, and it's very heavy and it's thick. I got this in a medium for 198 bucks, but I've already sold it for like 250 bucks. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on fit, but that's the last of it. So I'll show you what it looks like in a bit, and stay tuned. Alright guys, my friend that just came in Tosin, he brought back the shirt, and I'm about to go ship it out too because I just sold it just literally 2 minutes ago. I just got the alert on my phone. So here's what it looks like. This is the Ladybug tee. Yeah, I'm gonna get my own pair because someone is gonna give me this for retail again, so I'm gonna get one of this again, and I'm gonna keep it for myself because this is very beautiful for summer. Alright guys, my friend that just came in Tosin, he brought back the shirt, and I'm about to go ship it out too because I just sold it literally 2 minutes ago. I just got the alert on my phone. So here's what it looks like. This is the Ladybug tee. Yeah, I'm gonna get my own pair because someone is gonna give me this for retail again, so I'm gonna get one of this again, and I'm gonna keep it for myself because this is very beautiful for summer. It's actually good quality for the printing, both the Supreme Diamond tee and the TVT and also the Ladybug tee. They're all good quality, but yeah, we're gonna keep that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was kind of boring today, but don't forget to click like, subscribe, and my Instagram is gonna pop up right here. Don't forget to give me a follow, give me a shout out, and I'll hit you back, follow you. But I'm gonna post next week again, but I'm gonna try post earlier because yesterday was just kind of a busy day for me. So yeah.